All right, so this video is going to be we're going to subtract these functions together. Notice it's the exact same functions as the previous one. The only difference is the directions. So how do you know you have to subtract? Well, that's because we have this humongous subtraction sign between there. And so that's how you know you're going to subtract them. And notice how it has the f of x first, and then it says minus g of x. And that order is important when you are subtracting. So that says you're going to do the opposite of all of our g of x. And so I'm going to go ahead, refresh your memory. Remember, for f of x, we are missing that x squared term. And for the g of x, we're missing that cubed, and we're missing the plane x. So we're missing two of them, but I just wanted to show you that. So technically, there is a 0x squared there. All right, so the first thing you always want to do is you want to make sure, since it has a minus in the g of x, you want to change all of the signs of your g of x. So I'm just going to take this bottom function, and we're going to change the signs. And so instead of negative 2x to the fourth, we're going to have a positive 2x to the fourth. A positive 3x squared is going to become a negative 3x squared. And a negative 8 is going to change to a positive 8. Okay, so that should be your first thing. Anytime you're subtracting, change the sign of whatever function this one says. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and line them up. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3x to the fourth plus 5x to the third. Notice we're missing that second, minus 2x plus 5. And then we're going to just take the function that we changed and line up its like terms. So I'm going to put positive 2x to the fourth here. This one is negative 3x squared, so I'm not going to put it underneath this cube function. I'm going to go over here and put negative 3x squared. We don't have a plane x, so I'm going to leave it blank here, and we're going to put a plus 8 here. And then you just add those like terms. So that's going to be 5x to the fourth. Do not add the powers, you only add the numbers in front. Nothing here, so we're going to just rewrite it. 0 minus 3 is just going to be negative 3x squared. Nothing here, minus 2x plus 13. So hopefully that helps you with subtracting functions. Don't forget to write this down in your notes.